Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. D.D. Kulkarni, working as Assistant Professor of Commerce at LK Koth College of Commerce, Sankeshwar. In this video, we will discuss how to compute the total income of a partnership firm. I have taken a question which was asked for 2017 of Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. The question is like this. Anand, Basu and Chandru are the partners in a business firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. The capital accounts were showing credit balance of rupees 1,50,000, rupees 1 lakh and rupees 50,000 respectively as on 1/4/2018. The P&L account of the firm showed a net profit of rupees 2,04,000 after debiting the following accounts. Salary to partners, Anand 36,000, Basu 24,000. Bonus to partners, Anand 24,000, Basu 16,000, Chandru 30,000. Commission to partners, Anand 40,000, Basu 30,000, Chandru 30,000. Then interest on capital, Anand 21,000, Basu 14,000, Chandru 7,000. Rent of building to Anand rupees 48,000 per annum, but the fair rent of the same is rupees 30,000. Legal charges for drawing up of a partnership firm amounted to rupees 2,000. Donation to the fund established by the state government to provide medical relief to the poor, rupees 10,000. Donation to Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, rupees 10,000. Depreciation charges rupees 20,000, whereas the depreciation allowable as per income tax rules is rupees 30,000. The following amounts were credited to the P&L account. Interest on bank deposits rupees 40,000, which is gross. Bad debts recovered rupees 8,000, which were disallowed earlier. From this question, we need to compute the total income of the firm. Hello, I am Dr. D.D. Kulkarni, working as Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri LK Koth College of Commerce, Sankeshwar, District, Belagavi. I am solving a problem on computation of the total income of the firm, which is the syllabus for the Income Tax 2 of Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. I have taken a question which has appeared for the year of 2017. So in this problem, there are three partners, namely Anand, Basu and Chandru. They share their profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their capital balances are given as rupees 1,50,000, 1 lakh and 50,000 respectively at the beginning of the year. The P&L account of the firm showed a net profit of rupees 2,04,000 after debiting the salary, bonus, commission to partners, then interest on capitals. Rent of the building to the partner is Mr. Anand, rupees 48,000, but whereas the fair rent of the same is rupees 30,000. So the excess rent of rupees 18,000 is debited to the P&L account, which must be added back to the net profit. Legal charges for drawing up of a partnership deed is rupees 2,000. Even this should be disallowed while computing the income from business of the firm, as it is a capital expenditure. Donation paid to fund established by the state government to provide medical relief to the poor. This is eligible donation under section 80G, which qualifies for deduction under section 80G at the rate of 100% of the sum paid, as it is a no limit donation. So it should be added back to the net profit while computing the income from business of the firm, and the same shall be allowed as a deduction under section 80G. Then there is one more donation to Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Even this must be added back to the net profit while computing the income from business of the firm, and the same shall be deducted at the rate of 50% of the sum paid under section 80G. Then depreciation as per accounting is rupees 20,000, whereas as per taxation is rupees 30,000. So still the firm can claim a depreciation of rupees 10,000. There are two items which are credited to the P&L account of the firm, that is interest on bank term deposit, which is accessible under the head of income from other sources, which shall be deducted while computing the income from business of the firm. Bad debts recovered rupees 8,000, which were disallowed earlier. So as they were disallowed in the earlier years, now they are recovered. It becomes an exempt income and it shall be deducted while computing the income from business of the firm. So now let us go for solving this here. So computation of total income computation of total income of firm. So the previous year here is for our study 2018 and 19, whereas the assessment here is 2019-20. So this is the column meant for total income. This is the column meant for specific head income. So total income column here, specific head. So where we are going to arrive at the income under particular head. So in this problem only there are two heads of incomes, that is income from business and income from other sources. So first let us go for computing income from business here. So here the net profit which is given as per P and account, that will become a base here. So net profit as per P and L account, so which is given the problem as rupees 2,04,000. So 2,04,000. To this you add expenses. Expressly, I am writing in short expenses. So expressly disallowed. So here, so for the salary, bonus and commission, that we shall take it later on. So interest on capitals. So interest on capitals. So here we have got Anand. So actually debited amount is rupees 21,000. So as per the provisions here, only 12% of the 12% of the capital balance will be allowed as interest here. So 12% of capital balance of Anand here, it is rupees 1,50,000. So when you calculate 12% of 1,50,000, that comes to 18,000. So 21 minus 18,000, that comes to 3,000. Then similarly we should take off Basu. Basu has been paid with the interest and capital of rupees 14,000. So 14,000. So 12% off. So here his capital balance is given as rupees 1 lakh. So 12% of 1 lakh comes to 12,000. So 40 minus 12. So that comes to 2,000. Then similarly of Chandru. So he has paid an interest of rupees 7,000 here. Minus 12% of his capital balance at the beginning of the year is given as rupees 50,000 in the problem. So 12% of 50,000 comes to 6,000. So 7,000 minus 6,000 comes to 1,000. This is the interest on capital which is disallowed here. So now excess rent paid. This is on building. So here actually paid is rupees 48,000. So 48,000 minus 30,000. So that comes to here 18,000. Then there is a donation, legal charges. Legal charges for drawing a partnership deed. So it is a capital expenditure. So legal charges, that is 2,000. This is related to partnership deed. It is related to deed. Then there is a donation. I will take total donation here. So there is a 10,000 is paid for state government for medical relief, and there is a 10,000 which is paid for Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. So 10,000. So 10 plus 10, 20,000 here. Now let us take the total of this year. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 18 24, 24 plus 2 26, 26 plus 20 46,000. So now once again we will calculate 3 plus 6 24, 26 plus 20 46,000. So when you take the total of this year, you get 2,50,000. 2,50,000. So from this we shall deduct now less incomes chargeable under other heads. Incomes chargeable under other heads. Under other heads and exempted incomes credited to P&L account. So under this we have got two here. One is income from, let me write down here only so that it will be clear to you. So here we have got income interest on bank term deposits. Interest on bank term deposits. So here we have been we are given that 40,000 is the interest, so 40,000. Then bad debts previously disallowed, that is given as rupees 8,000. So total 48,000. So 48,000. So 2,50,000 minus 48,000, that comes to 10 minus 8 2 here 50. So 2,02,000 we have got now. Dear students, this is the profit which is computed as per section 28 to 44D. Still we need to deduct the depreciation allowable here. So you write down here. So less expenses chargeable under this head, but not debited to P&L account. So in the problem we have given that the depreciation as per the accounting is rupees 20,000, but as per IT rules it is given as 30,000. So 10,000 still can be claimed here. So depreciation, that is 30,000 minus 20,000, that comes to 10,000 here. So when you subtract here, you get 1,92,000. So 10 minus 9, so 2 minus 1, so 1,92,000. So to this, this is now we have arrived at 1,92,000, which is nothing but the profit which is computed in accordance with the provisions of section 28 to 44 here. So to this you add remuneration to partners, debited to P&L account, So here Anand, so let us add whatever the paid to any partner, so that we should add. That means the remuneration paid to working as well as non-working partners, so we should add back so that we are going to arrive at the book profit here. So Anand, he has been paid a salary of rupees 36,000. Then he has paid a bonus of rupees 24,000. He has been paid a commission of rupees 40,000. So 36 plus 24, that comes to 60,000. 60 plus 40, so 1 lakh is paid to Anand. Similarly, Basu. So Basu has been paid rupees salary of rupees 24,000. So 24,000 plus he has been paid a bonus of rupees 16,000. Then he has also paid a commission of rupees 30,000. So 24 plus 16, 40 plus 30, 70,000. Then Chandru has been paid a salary. No, he has not been paid any salary. He has paid a commission of rupees 8,000. Then he has also paid bonus 8,000, commission of rupees 30,000. So total 38,000 is paid here. So 1 lakh plus 70, 170 plus 30, 2 lakh 8,000. So 2 lakh 8,000. This now you add here to 1 lakh 92, you are going to get, so 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, so 4 lakhs. This is what we are going to arrive at the book profit. Dear students, please do remember this book profit is most important here. So now let us allow remuneration as per section 40B. So when this remuneration as per section 40B means it is remuneration which is paid only to the working partners will be allowed here. So we have arrived at the book profit of rupees 4 lakhs now. So you write here less remuneration to working partners. Remuneration to working partners as per section 40B. So section 40B it says 90% of book profit or rupees 1,50,000, whichever is more. Then if, in case if the book profit exceeds rupees 3 lakhs, then the next will be 60% of the balance of the book profit. So first we shall take remuneration actual. Remuneration to working partners. Remuneration actually debited to P&L account. Actually debited to P&L account. So here we should take into account only who are the working partners. So working partners here we have got only Anand and Chandru. So Anand, so he has paid a salary of rupees 36,000 plus bonus of rupees 24,000 plus commission of rupees 40,000. So when you take the total 36 plus 24, so total it comes to 1 lakh. Then Chandru, so he has paid a bonus of rupees 8,000 and he has also paid a commission of rupees 30,000. So total 38,000. So 1,38,000, this is actual. Now this we should compare with the maximum. So here remuneration as per section 40B. So here 90% of book profit of rupees, first book profit of rupees 3 lakhs we should take. So 3 lakh, that comes to 2,70,000 or rupees 1,50,000, whichever is more, that means here it is 2,70,000. Then balance of book profit, balance of BPI in short, that is our 4 lakh we have got book profit, right? Already we have utilized 3 lakhs, so on balance book profit 60% of rupees 1 lakh. Dear students, how we got this 1 lakh? 4 lakh is the book profit, of which we have utilized 3 lakhs, so 1 lakh that comes to 60,000. So total will be 3,30,000. Dear students, we should compare this 3,30,000 with actual. So actual of rupees 1,38,000 or maximum of rupees we have got there 3,30,000, whichever is less, that comes to 1,38,000. So now 4 lakh minus 1,38,000, we are going to arrive at 10 minus 8 2 carry 1, 10 minus 4 6 carry 1. 4 lakh minus 1,38,000, so it comes to 2,62,000. So this is what we are going to arrive at the 2,62,000. This is income from business we got now. So income from business. Then we should compute income from other source. So income from other source. So we have got interest on bank term deposits. So that we are given as rupees 40,000. So there is only one source, under that other source. So 40,000. So the total will be 3,02,000. So this is what we get here. GTI less deduction under section 80G, donation to state government. So 10,000 paid, so 100% of 10,000, that comes to 10,000. Then similarly there is one more, donation to Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, 50% of 10,000, so 5,000. So total will be 15,000. So when you take the difference here, 12 minus 12, 7 carry 1. So here 2,87,000 is the total or taxable income. Thank you.